Cold. Cold, cold, cold. Monday morning, and I thought, maybe I'll do a quick video about my story so far, setting up this, well, I wouldn't call it a studio just yet, but something. I'm recording on my phone, and that's what I'm doing my videos with. And first of all, I'll show you my recording studio desk. Looks a little like this. That's my old mobile. Little ring light I picked up from old B&M. I know the B&M fans are out there. And that was a tenner. And it's pretty good actually. It's nice and bright. I can probably show you how much light it shows. And then you get the little halo in the eyes. Very pretty. And then the next thing was the microphones, because my goodness, the internal microphone on the phone, not sure how this one's going to turn out, hopefully it's okay. But I watched a lot of videos, I think I watched the one from Julie, and her video, very informative. I tried one of these things, the boy had one lying around. Yeah, they just demand too much power, so I'm plugging this into my phone so I don't have to sync audio. And it just doesn't give it enough power. Terrible. Quality's nice, but you do have to have it pretty much, for me, in my face. Not so good. So I saw another one, little lavalier thing, little tie clip, and that, for me, had the best sound. I thought it was very good. And just while I was on eBay, £3 by the way, found another one for 3 odd quid. And this little thing just plugs straight into your phone, just a little mic. Again, the sound is a lot better, probably better for like dictation or reporting, you know. So that was good. Also a little extension jack with the old 4 poles for a mobile phone, so at least I can have, you know, the mic strewn around somewhere if I need to, because the idea is to sort of walk about a bit. So yeah. And this came with a stand, the mobile mount on a little wheelie stick, and it all moves around quite nicely. Pretty good little buy. This was my eBay bargain. That was a £5, and it's actually pretty good. It is the lightest, thinnest piece of made out of tin can. Came with a little mount as well, which is what I was looking for. That should come in handy. Probably just for desk type things, but pretty good. And that is the big old beast I've had for a long time. Big sturdy bugger. Yeah, should be able to set a lot of things up with that. So, I mean, there's microphones, there's lighting, and there's knowing where to put the lights. As you can see, that's what happens. So I'm using these, I think they're 60 by 60 LED panels, and they throw a lot of light out. I've got 2 of these. Someone's over here. Another one. So when you go in front of them, obviously it's compensating and it's changing. Although this camera's doing quite well. The other one I'm using, terrible. And then I've got a little skylight here, which is kind of grubby. But they're all to throw light on the painting side of things. So that's sort of like the working area I'm going to hope to do. So I'm going to use, I've tried it, it kind of works, not sure how it works when I try and bring it all together. Now I've got the old iPhone 5, had a little fisheye lens thing for it, which means I get a really wide angle shot, sort of like a CCTV basically. But yeah, that's the picture you get from there. Ooh. Yeah, very wide angled. But at least that'll give you an overview of what I'm doing. These cameras are very narrow field things, so not that great. So with that fisheye lens you can pretty much get the whole room if I will have to walk around. Oh, the other thing I want to show was my additional studio light, which is this B&Q bargain. That was reduced to £2, and that is a lot of output of light. It really does. It's way more illuminating than these panels. Quite a big light. It's a little bit warm, but yeah, throws a lot of light out. So that's the tour of the little studio so far. And today I think I'm going to try piece together a slightly more finished video. I've got like 3 or 4 test ones I've done. All I'm using is Windows movie editor, you know, the free program that Windows has in it, Windows 10. Okay, well, that's enough. Okay, and now this is me. I've plugged in my phone, USB wire, file transfer, just transferring over that video I shot on my phone. This bit I'm recording on my little old bush phone with the little mic just there. So hopefully, again, you'll hear the difference. So I'm going to go off and render the magic-y bit, do the little fast forward. Here we go again. So, this is the Windows video editor. It just comes free with Windows. Basically that's what we do here. So this is the video I've just taken. So you make a project, that's how they work. So here's the first video I made, and pop that there. This is the second little intro bit, and then this little third part will go here. So hopefully you'll see the stages, and you know, it's not too complicated. Like I say, this whole program is free, and that's about it. So the technical side of it. So this is recording from that old mobile via a program called DroidCam, which is a free little program that allows you to put your picture on the screen over here. So I don't have to mess about with that. It just comes. It should be in a little box down the bottom. I can't see that at the moment because it's doing other things, but it should be there. And I'm using this little boundary microphone. I just stuck it to a piece of foam so it doesn't rust around everywhere. It seems to sit quite nicely, but that picks up a lot of noises too. So not the best microphone, but it will mean me having to unplug the other one to plug the other one back in. Yeah, just saves a bit of time having two. For £3, what's the problem? So we'll see how it goes. Stage 2 now. Okay, so I'm just going to show, you know, bringing a video over. This is the one I just recorded just now, probably called Debut, and we pop it in, and if Windows likes it, there we go, it says it's okay. Sometimes it will say, oh, I don't like that, and you can just run it through a converter. I don't really know what the problem is, but you can convert that to an AVI, or just convert it to another MP4, and that seems to work. So sometimes it does glitch, but it is all there. If you can play the video, you can do that, and you can convert it with a VLC, which is this little triangle thing here. So if I open VLC, here we go, that's recording. So I can also, okay, so yeah, convert, you can add that file in, and here, and convert, and there we go, you've got your settings already done here. I'm doing it with YouTube HD, just it won't be HD. You put your output file here, start, and off it goes, and it does it. That's just in case this program does. I mean, this is a very basic program, and I think it has trouble with some of the encoding. So all you do is drag them and you put them in your storyboard. Yeah. So it's telling me at the moment we're 8 minutes and 36 seconds into this. So that's the first part. Me, the studio tour. That's for a few minutes, isn't it? Terrible. So that's the now file transfer. They'll just go on just back to back without any transition. So what you can do, here you put there, and I'll just click the title card. I can come back and put text in. There it is. Type up here, my studio. It does different, things, however you like them. There's not a lot you can change here, these are pretty preset, but that's it really, and then you're done. So this duration data button there you can see 3 seconds long, done. And then you can rewind that back and press play, and now we should have a little bit of an intro now. And you can do the same again in between the videos. You can add in another little card there, right click, add another title card here. You can also do some transition effects here. There's lots of little things you can do. You know, here I can add in, or I can trim it down, split it up, add some text into there. You can do these strange motion things, which I don't really know why. It's sort of 3D effects that you're lucky, I don't know, like a Snapchat emoji type thing. Filters, make things black and white and colours, play with the speed, you can do rotations. It's very basic. I mean, anyone who's used Premiere would, they would not be impressed right now. But this program, just showing you how I can do something. So hopefully, I don't think it'll be more than 10 minutes, definitely not. And then that'll be the rendered sequence. And I'm doing this today now, so it's 20 past 10ish. I've got this far. Let's see how we go. Okay, strangely, this last part it's taken me 3 tries so far. First one was awful. Second one, the mic gave up for some reason. It was interfering, something's causing interference. Third time lucky. Right, so all I wanted to say is that these files, the ones in the project library, are the originals. So anything you do in the storyboard, any trimming, colour changing, cropping, anything you do here does not affect the original files. These always stay the same. And that's how it works. So you'll see now, right at the end of my file, and I can press here finish the video, which means it will squish it all up, compress it all, and give you something very shiny and fancy. I'll take that out because that seems to make my PC go crazy. And you just give it the name. It's called Tour2. And I'll export that now and I'll begin, and you'll see this little orange bar very slowly starts to creep along. This isn't the best machine in the world, but it's 10 minutes, it'll be done. So hopefully you're watching this on YouTube at some point today. Thanks for watching.